Hello, good morning America. This is me Baljita. I'm working on my car today. Today we do bedding because this one is making a horrible noise. So I am paying Mr. Baljit to come and fix my car. Thank you. These guys, I want to thank the Gem Auto Lynn team for hooking a brother up with these pots at a good price. As you can see, it's decent shit. It ain't gonna break 3 months down the road unless you install this shit wrong. But thank you to the Gem Auto team. Santos, appreciate you.
I ran into a little snag. I really didn't do research when I got involved, right? The e-brake is holding this thing in. So now we have to loosen it up so we can take out the rotor, so we can get access to the spindle, and so on.
Well, I had to resort to violence. Esta mierda estaba completamente frisada. Un carro con casi 170,000 millas que no le habían hecho esa vaina. Por aquí estamos, tú sabes, cogiendo lucha. Tuvimos que caerle a coñazo toda esta vaina.
This is the real problem side. This one makes my car skip when I turn left hard. So let's see how badly beat is this bearing.